Hey guys, my name is Anthony Laughlin. My gender pronouns are he, him, and his. I grew up in Ellison Bay, which is in Door County, Wisconsin. I went to Gibraltar High School, and after graduation, I attended Hill College in Texas to play baseball for 2 years. Some important people in my life are my dad, my mom, my brother Alex, and my sister Alyssa, who is now married to a cop in Pewaukee. Some other important people is Zach May, who is in the Red Hat. He now plays baseball at McNeese State, and Carson Carter, who now plays baseball at Texas Tech. They were my best friends the last 2 years when I played down in Texas, and I will never forget them. Also, Nolan, who is right here in the Oakley shirt, he's from Texas also. Um, Two big things that I care about in this world is baseball, which has been my favorite sport and favorite thing to do since I've been born. I've played it my whole life. It's my favorite thing to do, and I'm here at lacrosse now to play baseball. So another thing is chicken nuggets. They are very delicious. I especially love them from McDonald's when they're fresh and hot. um, Growing up in Door County, Wisconsin, is a very touristy area. And having worked at a boat rental place, I've dealt with many different cultures. I've had to teach them everything about a jet ski to a boat to be able to rent it. And by demonstration, they knew how to use it, even the ones that didn't know how to speak English. Um, Rick and Morty and The Office, which are both TV shows, make me laugh the most. They have the funniest episodes. I enjoy watching them. Dwight Schrute in The Office, who is right there, is my favorite character out of any TV show. He pretty much is the guy who makes me want to watch The Office the most. He's so funny. Um, One thing that makes me not feel valued is when people don't listen to me when I'm talking or explaining something. Another thing is also accepting my cultural differences. Other than that, that's it. Thank you guys.